Is 2, we're going to set up the ladder logic rungs for our controls project that we just created. The first step is open up the main routine, which is located in this main program folder. Open that up, and down below we will see the ladder logic main routine. Go ahead and double click on that main routine, and the ladder logic rungs and programming shows up. Next, we're going to find a program control that will allow us to use function block diagram programming. So the first thing we're going to do is jump to a subroutine. We can jump to subroutine by selecting that first rung. Actually, that's rung 0. We can see that down here. So select rung 0. Find program control in this organizer at the top. And then JSR, jump to subroutine. So click JSR. That will open up our jump to subroutine in our ladder logic rung. And now we can right click on that routine name area and select new routine. We're going to call that our subroutine. And we want the type to be function block diagram. This will allow us to use function block programming, which simplifies some of the programming that we use in the controls lab system. So once those things are entered in, go ahead and click OK. The subroutine is now set up to run on that rung 0 of the main ladder logic routine. Now we need to remove input parameters because we don't want those, so select each input parameter and remove instruction parameter. And on the last one, when we remove that instruction parameter, our errors should go away. So now we don't have any errors with our routine. Another thing we can do is verify our routine by selecting this button up here. If you select that button and no verification shows up, that's because our window is hidden in view. So we're going to go ahead and click errors, and now our error window will show up down here. If you want to make sure that that window stays in your system, you can go ahead and dock that window. So you might have to right click and dock it. Once we do that, we can verify the routine by clicking this button. We see down here we have 0 errors, 0 warnings. So this routine is all